gonna be a super quick little fix DIY. So I have this hole in the door from a renter. I don't want to replace the door because it's kind of a weird size, and I don't want to order a custom one because I just want to get this turned around and rented back out. So I'm gonna give this hack a shot. I think I saw this online. It's not originally my idea. I'm gonna fill it with foam because it's a hollow core door. So I'm gonna fill that with foam. I'm gonna razor it down, and then I'm gonna prime and paint this door. So let's give it a try. Obviously the best way to do this would have been to take off the door, but like I said, I'm trying to do this relatively quickly. So I have it filled in. I have something on the floor in case it drops off. The chintziest DIY that I have ever done. Still needs another coat of paint, but I think it's gonna work. Okay, it could use another coat of paint, but I can't believe how good it turned out. So save me, I mean, a slab door right now is probably like 80, 90 bucks. So save me a few bucks.